Hi everyone, Anne-Marie Life Coach, owner of the Soul Awakening Academy here. Just want to do a quick video on what is transformational coaching. So transformational coaching or spiritual coaching, holistic coaching, whatever you want to title it, basically is a type of coaching that asks you deeper questions. When you go and see a life coach, a traditional life coach is focused on goal setting. So they want to know where's your life currently at? And where do you want it to be, and what's actually preventing you from getting there. What traditional life coaching or maybe business coaching falls short with are asking those deeper questions about self-inquiry, really. Something made quite popular called the 5D cycle of inner inquiry by David Copperfield in positive psychology asks these multinational companies, actually. He goes around the world teaching this in multinational companies, so it's global. What is their dream? What is their vision? And how can they create that vision? So they stop focusing on the problem and they focus on the strengths. They focus on what's already working in the organization, or on a personal level, what's already working on your life, because that's where your strengths lie. And you can build on your strengths. They're the natural resources that you have. You don't tend to have to work hard to live by your strengths and your values, but quite often we're just not aware of what they actually are because they're just natural in us. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the coaching questions that we go through on the Transformational Coaching course. So there are lots of different questions. There are about 10 different segments that we go through here. But just some of the questions would be, if we were looking at spiritual energy, we'd want to know is, how do you know when to connect? And what do you mean by connect? Well, it's connect to yourself, because often we're living a mind-led life and not a body or intuition or gut-sensed life. We're not in tune with our deeper senses and feelings and our emotions, which are the gauge to our environment. Our feelings and sensations are the things that are telling us what's a good move and what's a not so good move. We'd look at what inspires you. So what in life inspires you, and how can you create more inspiration in your life? You know, what inspires me is nature. Astrology inspires me. So I get completely submerged in learning astrology because I'm so fascinated by it. And we do forget to connect. I forget to connect when I'm so, in a mental process of running a business. And, this is true for stay-at-home mums or wives or whatever we are. We're generally always thinking about something. So questions that we ask is, moment by moment, what do you tend to focus on? What is draining your mental energy? And how do you fill it back up? So these are just some of the questions that we go through on the Transformational workshop. This is open to everybody, whether you're a coach, whether you're a therapist, whether you work in the field of human excellence, human development, or you're just a general person who has a normal job or a normal life, who's not into coaching or therapy or healing, but wants to come and learn about themselves because they want to be empowered. They want to know who they are on a deeper transpersonal level than they currently know themselves now. So, we are shifting. Massive shift is going to happen with, I won't go into it, but some energies that we're moving into. We're moving away from the structure, the dogma, and we're moving into a more nurturing, intuitive, sensitive, emotional area of our lives. This is true for everybody, whatever area of life it touches. I don't know, you'd have to look at your astrology chart, but we are moving away from a Capricorn Saturnian energy, which is all about structure, restrictions, corporate. We're heading in a different direction. So people will be asking these deeper questions. They will be up in their head. They will feel very confused and out of alignment. and they'll be looking to discover who they are. So whether you want to train to be a life coach or spiritual coach, you can do that with the Soul Awakening Academy, or you can come and join one of our transformational workshops and just get to know yourself on a deeper level. So any questions, guys, you know where to find me. soulawakeningacademy.co.uk. Take care for now.